Voice Technology Solutions. Now we are going to see BizSoft Point of Sales. It is a retail billing outlet softwares with inventory management. It is a one vendor softwares where you can maintain multiple branches or single branches. Okay. In this software, you are going to see how you can take your store into online. Your entire accounting solutions will be in the online. You can access this softwares or you can access your store's activities, billing activities, accounting activities anywhere in this world. Now I am putting the credential of this accounting softwares. It is a multi-store accounting software. This can be used for even single stores. This is a once you log in, you will get the dashboard. In that dashboard, you will get point of sales, sales, reports, outlet, users, system settings. So if you are going to be want to build something, you can just click the POS. Then you want to check that particular POS of a retail outlet, Vallala Oil, you just click this, and you can see in the down there is a product category. First, if you click, this will show all the product category, and if you click the category wise, it will show the categories wise product. I am just selecting one product, you can see, then selecting the payment mode, like the bill amount is 150, I am putting 200, then you will get a submit button. You just click and submit, your bill will be generated. This can be printed through thermal printer or laser printer or dot matrix. If you want to send by mail, you can just type the mail ID, so your bill will be sent successfully. So now I am back to the point of sales. I am going back to the dashboards. If you click sales, you will get sales report, what actual sales done by today with if you have n number of outlets, if you have a mini outlet, all the sales will be displayed here in the format. This can be exported to the Excel format also. Okay, so I am just clicking again dashboard, reports. Other than you can choose by outlet reports like cash report, check report, debit card report, MasterCard report. All the reports can be taken through through the reports. So you can just click that outlet, you can edit your outlet, whatever outlet you are having, that outlet can be edited through the edit format. Okay. So the user dashboard, you can create the user. Suppose in any stores you must have a manager, billing and accounting persons, like that you can create the users. You can assign their task also with adding new users. Okay. Next, system setting. You can use the system setting, like what is the symbols of you are going to use, how many products should show in the POS, and date format, currency format, and if you wanted to put that logo of stores, all that you can put here. Okay, that's the system settings. So now we will see what are the other features here. You have a customers, whatever the customers which you for walking to your stores, all the details will be stored in the customers. You can also generate gift card. Gift card will be, you can add gift card, list gift card, and you can also see the debit card sales. Whatever the debit card sales is done, that will be seen here. And the expenses, particular stores expenses you can add, and you can see the profit loss reports and profit loss accounts. Return order, you can create the returns and the return orders. Then you can also maintain the inventory, total product inventory you can maintain, adding just a click that you can just add your product inventory. You can do the stock transfer, or you assign the quantity of a particular inventory to the particular stores, that also you can do it. Now the product, you can list the product, you can print the product, you can also export the product into the Excels, and you can also print the barcoding through the barcode printer. This is generated through the barcode. How many products you will be having, it will be generated. You can print it, you can put it on your product list. This is the barcode printer. Through the scan you can access the barcoding also, that also you can do it with the softwares. Okay, so and you can create the purchase order, you can delete the purchase order, you can assign the purchase order to the suppliers. All that you can do with the purchase order tab. This is the outlet. You can edit your outlet. If you just click, you can edit whatever the outlet, you can add outlet. Suppose in future you want to create more outlet, you can just add, and you can just remove the outlet. That can be done through this softwares. Okay, so if you see users, you can create the users, you can delete the users, and suppliers, you can add the suppliers details in this system settings. You can, even if you want to add more payment method, that also can be done. So this is a software purely through online softwares. This software can be used for single store or multi stores in multiple regions, multiple cities. You can add n number of stores. It is this software can be used as a offline as well online softwares. It is a mobile friendly, tab friendly. The demo which you are going seeing is through the mobile only. Okay, so other details please contact BizVoice Technology Solutions, BizSoft, 8610 525 424. Thank you.